everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the CommBank mobile app. The CBA or CommBank app continues to set the benchmark for high utility banking, blending a massive feature set with a surprisingly user-friendly interface. Its biggest pro is the sheer depth of its financial ecosystem within a single app. You can manage your daily spending, trade stocks via CommSec, track your carbon footprint, and even find government rebates through the Benefits Finder. These updates have refined the CBA Smart World AI, which proactively warns you about the upcoming bill spikes or duplicate subscription before they hit your account. However, the primary con remains the complexity for users who just want a simple balance check. The app can feel cluttered with constant offers for insurance, loans, and step pay, buy now, pay later prompts. So the Compact app is less of a banking app and more of a full-scale financial commander center. It's unbeatable for features and security, but it might be too much app for those who prefer minimalist banking.